What's good, folks? Ruds here. We'll continue on the cream series reviews today, featuring the Helmsman Shave Cream Original Scent. Helmsman is a US-based company that specializes in brushless shave cream. They pride themselves on the fact that this is 100% US made, from the chemistry behind the soap to the design of the packaging and tube it comes in, as well as the manufacturing of the soap itself, all done right here in the US of A. You can purchase the Helmsman direct from their website, which I will link below, or also on Amazon.com, which I will link below. So the original scent on Helmsman Shave Cream is a very light, clean type scent, much like you find in many moisturizing products or men's grooming products, body washes and such. There are no scent notes listed, and it's really hard to pull any out of this cream itself. So the best way to describe it is light, fresh, clean, crisp. I like the scent. It's quite simple. Nice divergence from complex artisan shave soap scents, if you will. Mrs. Rudd's is pretty neutral on this one. It doesn't last very long. It's on the light to mid type scent strength, and really goes away once you rinse it away. So I can easily use any aftershave product I wish to in order to smell nice for Mrs. Rudd's. Alright, so being a brushless shave cream, I've found that this will work with a brush for application purposes. It will not lather like a artisan shave soap. But if you have wet skin and wet hands, I find it's more convenient to just apply it with your hands. That's why I didn't show you that in the scent description portion of the video. Figure you'll want to try that yourself. This is, from what I can tell based on the ingredients, a vegan-based shave cream. As I mentioned, I apply it with wet hands and wet skin. I use maybe a $50 size dollop and work it into the skin. It's fairly thin. It reminds me quite a bit of the Ariana and Evans shave serum that I've reviewed in the past, in terms of how to lather it and what it looks like on your skin. Slickness, both primary and residual slickness on this shave cream are good. I'm able to move the razor around with not a lot of drag created, even on the residual slickness side of the game. And I find the post-shave good as well. Better than many of the creams I've reviewed recently. This one did not leave my skin tight or drying. I'd still use an aftershave product with it, but it's right on the cusp of not needing one. This is a convenience type shave cream, in my opinion. If you're looking for a quick shave, or you're shaving at the gym before work and you don't want to bring all your gear with you, but you do want to get a good shave and avoid using canned goo or bringing your brush and whatnot with you, this would be a ideal type of shave cream, being that it's brushless. Given my experience with it and the metrics we just mentioned, this receives a shave score of 82. And the closest cream thus far in terms of performance to this one would be the Castle Forbes shave cream offering. Really serviceable dome shave today with the Helmsman Shave Cream in the Original Scent. I do recognize this probably isn't for the hardcore wet shaving hobbyist, but you can still use your traditional methods of shaving. I've been able to use a straight razor on my face with this, as well as you just saw, a DE on my dome without any loss of performance or fear of irritation with this product. Great convenience. I think I'll probably take this on my next business trip with me, just to save time and still get some great shaves. Hope you'll have an opportunity to check out Helmsman, as I mentioned below, direct on their website or on Amazon. And as always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say. And if you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.